Today we are making an Easter punch that is fruity and fresh and perfect to serve at your Easter gatherings. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So the base of this punch is a raspberry lemonade, so it'll be super fruity and delicious. And the first thing you need is just a good amount of raspberries. This is about 8 ounces of raspberries. And here I have 1 3/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup of lemon juice to my blender with the raspberries. There we go. And now we are just going to blend this until it is smooth. You can use fresh or frozen raspberries, but if you're using frozen, I would let them thaw a bit so they are easier to blend. And there we go. We have our blended raspberries. And I like to strain this because A, I don't want to get seeds in my teeth at a party, and B, I just don't really like the seeds in it. But if you don't care, you don't have to strain it. And this adds the color and so much flavor to the drink. And because it is a lemonade, we have to have some more lemon juice. So the rest of our lemon juice we can now add in, along with 6 cups of water, because I want this to be a fairly large punch. And because you need a lemonade to be a little bit sweet, I have just 1 cup of granulated sugar that I'm going to add in. And then we're going to stir this until the sugar is dissolved. And then at this point, you can taste it, see if you want to add a little more lemon juice, or if it's really tart, you can add more sugar. And if you want this to be non-alcoholic, you can stop right here and just enjoy a glass of raspberry lemonade. But since I am taking this to a party and they requested it to be a little boozy, I'm going to grab my vodka, and you can add anywhere from 1 to 2 cups of vodka to your punch. And I have to say, the color of this is just absolutely beautiful. It's really giving me spring vibes. So I'm going to give this one final stir now that I've added the vodka, and we can pour ourselves a glass. I'm just going to pop into my garden real quick and grab some fresh mint, because fresh mint goes so well with lemonade. So let's go. Now that I have some fresh mint, I'm going to add some ice to my glass. And I will say I am so excited to try this because it is so hot outside today. Southern California is really getting a heat wave right now. And since it is Easter, if you want to take your garnish to the next level, you can always just pop to the store and grab some peeps. So I have, some of these are cuter than others, so you would grab your cutest peep. And I'm just going to place them on the side of my glass like so. Now, is that not just adorable? And now it is my favorite time of any video. It's getting to taste our creation. That is incredible. That is so delicious. It's not too sweet. It's perfectly fruity. You really taste the raspberry. And the scary thing is, I don't taste the vodka at all. But boy, is it good. So if you would like to see some more of my punch and cocktail recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. And I also have another Easter punch if you want to check it out. But if not, I hope you all have an amazing Easter Sunday. Cheers!